September 22, 2020 was a big day for Tesla. After its annual shareholder meeting, in a Battery Technology Day presentation outside its production facility in Fremont, California, Tesla announced manufacturing of new, internally produced batteries for its electric cars, signaling a major shift from the automaker that, if fruitful, could greatly reduce the cost of electric vehicles. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about Tesla's new cost-efficient batteries. The company's CEO Elon Musk stated that it is the way all electric cars in the future will be made. This announcement sent the business world in a tizzy, as this is one endeavor that no company has ever thought of before. Tesla is currently dependent on the Japanese company Panasonic for its all-important lithium-ion battery cells. Musk has often criticized Panasonic as he finds its manufacturing quite slow and time-consuming. During Tesla's Model 3 rollout in 2018, he described it as his production hell. Surprisingly, Panasonic CEO Kazuhiro Tsuga admitted that if Tesla goes on expanding his own firm's batteries, will be honestly left behind. So with the thought of an ambitious amalgamation, Musk is aiming to manufacture Tesla batteries in-house. Now, a number of obvious questions arise, like what can be expected from the next generation of Tesla batteries? In what ways are they different? And are we seeing the end of the gas-guzzling internal combustion engine? Let us move on to see what Tesla's new battery has to offer. To begin with, why a new battery is required at all, as we have mentioned before that Musk wants an amalgamation of processes and wants to manufacture all that he can, right from the sprockets to steering wheels in-house, instead of heavily depending on the external suppliers. Tesla's new battery cell features a tabless design. As per the company, it will provide 5 times the energy, 6 times the power, and 16% more range as compared to its old battery cell, which it sources from Panasonic. Tesla also said the new batteries would be 56% less expensive to manufacture and are being developed entirely in-house. In the current cell design, the energy stored in the battery pack is transferred to the car's drivetrain via a conductive metal tab. The new battery pack achieves the same thing, as it uses a design that merges a series of small bumps and spikes, which the company hopes will eliminate the need for a tab, and in turn will reduce both the cost and the production time. The patent was approved in May 2020, and post that Musk tweeted that the tech is way more important than it sounds. Now, let's see how a normal battery operates and how Tesla's battery is technologically different from the conventional one in 5 steps. In a regular lithium-ion battery, electrons flow from the cathode through a tab, which is a separate component that has to be manufactured and welded onto the cell. Here, it's like a one-way road and electrons can only move in one direction. This creates overheating and inefficiency. In the new simpler tabless Tesla battery, in the first step, a shingled spiral is created when battery foils are laser cut and folded over each other. Because of this change, electrons can pass in and out of the battery easily, rapidly, and efficiently. The second step aims at revamping the battery manufacturing process itself. Unlike the tardy, time-consuming wet process for manufacturing cells by external suppliers, Tesla is attempting to develop a dry solvent method which, if successful, will use 10 times less energy and occupy 10 times smaller physical footprint, which in turn would be good for the environment and would be a breakthrough in the entire battery industry forever. In the third step, Tesla shall attempt to replace the prime material used in the anode, which is the compartment of the new battery where lithium ions are stored ready for deployment. Currently, graphite is used, but it shall be replaced by silicon, and if Tesla can stabilize its anode silicon with a coating of elastic ion-conducting polymer, then the range of any Tesla vehicle range will be extended by 20% at a stroke. The fourth step shall be a focus on the cathode, which contains ions shorn of electrons after they have moved further from the anode. Currently, cobalt is used, which is not only dangerous for mining, but is a health hazard to the miners. Tesla is looking at the combination of iron, lithium, and nickel extracted from regulated sources in the USA for its cathodes. The fifth step is really an innovative one, wherein in order to reduce vehicle mass by 10% and use fewer parts, the plan is to attach the battery cell into the body of the car itself. This battery cell will use a honeycomb structure to keep light and strong. So in simple words, Tesla will merge its new battery into the car chassis itself. The main target of reducing the cost of battery production is part of Tesla's plan to eventually sell 20 million vehicles annually, which is about 50 times more than they sell now. Musk stated that while production on the new batteries is underway, it will roughly take 2.5 years to fully ramp up production, and even longer for the technology to show up in actual vehicles. But we are not complaining. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button down there, comment down your views, and do share with more of your friends. Take care, see ya!